Today let's tour this colonial in Marietta, Georgia. This one is in East Cobb County. OK School District, not the top one. House is built in 1998, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, very close to the cul-de-sac. Now the front side faces west. Front has brick siding, 2-car attached garage, 3-tab roof shingles. Roof seems like over 15 years old. Basic landscaping. House sits at the street level. Now has a fully fenced backyard. Walk around and check out the other side. Now all the other three sides have fiber cement siding. Now this side we've got some gaps between the board. Decent sized backyard. Backyard has a lot of usable space. Here we got a small concrete patio with a pergola, probably built by the homeowner. They're sitting on the concrete pier. Backyard has a slightly reverse grading. Got 2 big tree trunks. The stump is not completely grinded. They try to make it look artistic. Look, back outside of the house has ridge vents. Chimney trim wood has some damage to it, and right now is a good time to get this fixed. Now front side has some shrubs. Top of the porch. We're now in the house. House has 2-story foyer. Chandelier light is original. To my right, this is formal dining. Got the wainscoting and orange paint. Shows very bold contrast. Now to my left, this is the office. And there's another office area that has a bi-folding door on the first floor. This is the half bath. Half bath has LVP floor, updated vanity. The rest of the first floor, like this foyer and in this family room, has original hardwood floor. Hardwood floor looks fine. Now check out the kitchen. Kitchen has newer LVP floor as well. Newer cabinets, granite top, mosaic backsplash. All the appliances stay. I'm glad to find the range hood is actually vented to the outside. Give you another view of the family room. Check out 2-car garage. Separate door. This door must be replaced recently. Circuit breaker panel here. Yeah, so the garage has been stuffed with a lot of things, and especially for this space, because of the cabinets installed, you may have you may not be able to park a large vehicle. Water heater tank is hiding behind that wall. Copper plumbing. All right, let's go up and check out the upper level. Carpet downstairs. Carpet is pretty old. All right, so the upper level has 4 bedrooms. Go this way, check out bedroom 1. Bedroom 1 has beige color neutral paint. Now this room is about 11 by 10. 1 window, textured ceiling, standard closet. Here's the shared full bathroom. Full bathroom has gone through some renovation. Dual sink vanity. Vanity looks new. Updated the mirror, faucets. And here we got the custom shower. It's frameless glass enclosure with a grab bar, so you can definitely tell this is the top to stand shower conversion. The original spout is still in place, which is a good thing. All right, check out bedroom 2. Bedroom 2 is on the other side of the full bathroom. Similar size, 11 by 10. The light blue paint. Updated ceiling fan. Everything else is similar setup. All right, give you another view of the family room, which has a 2-story ceiling. Check out bedroom 3. Bedroom 3 feels slightly larger, 12 by 10. Beige neutral paint. Got 2 windows. Look at the front of the house. Closet. Now the ceiling fan is making a whining noise. Now laundry room is on the 2nd floor as well. This is original sheet vinyl floor. All the appliances stay. Standard laundry box. Check behind. Electric dryer. Drop down ladder to the attic. Now check out the master bedroom suite. Now this room is about, I would say this is about 15 by 13. Tree ceiling. You can see the ceiling has some damage to it. 3 windows. Now the windows needs a new seal. You can see a lot of condensation or fogging between the glass pane. Let's check out the owner's bathroom. Very spacious. Updated vanity, updated mirror, lighting. LVP floor. Custom shower. Freestanding soaking tub. Small walk-in closet. Shelving. Now we're coming back to the dining room, and you can see here this window needs a new seal as well. This 2 glass panes, substantial condensation between the glass. This concludes the virtual tour of this colonial in Marietta, Georgia. Overall, this one feels pretty good. Move-in ready. Check most of the boxes, and listing price is under $500,000.